with me, Silly Miss Lily, and today we're gonna play with some construction vehicles. There are many different types of construction vehicles. They're usually really big, and they're used to build big things like buildings. There are vehicles like an excavator. It has this big arm, and they use it to dig up the dirt. Dig, dig, dig. Then they might use a bulldozer to push it over. Push the dirt. They might load it up in a dump truck. They'll put it in, and then the truck drives, and dumps it. Or there's also a flatbed truck, and the rocks or materials or anything else can go in and just drive it. There's also a cement mixer, and this part right here kind of spins to keep the cement mixing. So it's ready for construction. There's also a fuel truck or a water tanker, and it carries the water or fuel to bring to the construction site. All of these big vehicles to build things up. They get the ground ready, and then they build large buildings or homes or parks even, and playgrounds. There's many construction vehicles, and they are really colorful, really big, and super strong. They can lift up really big and heavy things. Today, I've got this construction vehicle puzzle, and I thought you could help me put all of these pieces in. Let's clear our construction site, which I had a dump truck to put it all into, to carry it out. And let's see what fun puzzle pieces we can put in together. All right, this is our puzzle board, and on it are the different construction vehicles, and we can put them in together. All right, first I've got an excavator with a big arm that digs. Do you see a spot on the board with a large yellow construction vehicle called an excavator? There's this yellow one, but this one has a big arm right here. Great job. Oops. Let's put it in. Let's grab another one. This is the fuel truck or the water tanker. It's red, and it's got this cylinder up top here that keeps all the fuel in or the water. Where should that go in? This one's red, but it's got rocks in the back. Where? Up here? Let's put it in. Wow, great job. You're a good helper. Next, I've got this dump truck. It's where they put the dirt or the rocks, and you can carry them over, and then it lifts the bed and dumps them out. Do you see the dump truck on the puzzle board? This is an orange dump truck. There's an orange piece right here. All right. Great job helping me. Next, I've got this blue cement mixer. Keeps this part rotating, and so the cement can stay fresh, so they can lay it down. Let's see. Do you see a spot on the board with a blue cement mixer? Right here. Great job. All right, that looks really good. Next, I got a flatbed truck. Go drive, 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 drive. Do you see a spot for it on the board? Here. Great job. All right. I got one piece left. And it's a bulldozer that pushes things over. Push, 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 push. Pushes the rocks over. Push, 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 push. Do you see a spot on the puzzle board for the bulldozer? Right here. All right, let's put it in. Wow, look at that. You did a great job putting this puzzle together with me. Thank you so much for helping me. Another fun activity you can do at home is if you get a pan and fill it with rice, you can ask your grown-up for help. And if you got construction vehicles toys, you can put them in and they'll help you dig. It's fun to play in the rice. It makes a really cool sound. This is the cement mixer. This part spins so the cement doesn't get dried out. There's different trucks and you can load them up and unload them and play along. It's fun to play with the construction trucks. How fun! Thank you again for playing with me, helping me with the puzzle, and exploring our sensory bin with the other construction vehicles. It was really fun playing with you. I love playing with you because you're a really great friend and a wonderful helper. so excited to play with you today. Today I've got this awesome puzzle with different vehicles, and I thought we could play with it together. Put the pieces all back, maybe even act like some of these vehicles. Are you excited to play with me? I hope so. I'm so excited to play with you. Let's see what we've got on our puzzle. We got an airplane, an ambulance, a motorcycle, vroom, 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 a big ship, a train, a helicopter, a car, and a fire truck. Wow, these are really cool. And all of them can go really fast. Wow, let's see what kind of puzzle pieces we've got. First, I've got this motorcycle. Motorcycles are really fast. That was fast. Oh, so fast. Wow, they can also go slow. They can also go really fast. Oh, that was way too fast. Wow, do you see a spot on the puzzle where the motorcycle goes? Here, great job. Ready? Let's put it in. You say in. In. It's started up like this. Wow, did you hear that? It's going fast. Let's act like we're on a motorcycle. Ready? Climb on. You start up like this. Vroom, vroom. Go vroom. That's really silly. All right, next I've got a helicopter. Helicopters fly up in the sky like this. They can also go really fast. Or kind of slow, but mostly fast. But if they were going slow, they go like this. But they're really fast. All right, do you see a spot on the puzzle board where the helicopter goes? We've got a train. Oh yeah, up here. Great job. What a cool helicopter sound. They spin around like this. Let's see. Next, I've got an ambulance. They drive pretty fast too. And faster than that. When they come into a stop, they slow down. Go. Very cool. Do you see a spot on the puzzle board where the ambulance goes? Over here? That's right. Okay, you say in and I'll put it in. Ready? In. Oh, it was a cool siren. All right, let's see what I've got next. It's a train. Trains are really cool and they also go fast. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. I go even faster. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo. Wow, that was fast. They're slowing down. It's like this. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. What a cool train. All right, do you see a spot on the puzzle board where the train goes? There's a fire truck. Right here? That's right, let's put it in. You say in. Ready? In. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. That was a cool train. All right, next I've got this airplane. They fly really fast. They fly down too. When they land. When they're up in the air, they fly really fast. Ooh, so fast. Cool airplane. All right, do you see a spot on the puzzle board where this airplane goes? Right up here? That's right. Okay, you say in, and I'll put it in. Ready? In. Our next puzzle piece, it's a ship. They swim sometimes fast and sometimes slow. When they're swimming fast, it's like this. When they're swimming slow, it's more like this. Swim, 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 swim. Swim, 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 swim. It's a big ship. Do you see a spot on the puzzle board where the big ship goes? Right here? That's right. Ready? Let's put it in together. You say in. In. Wow, really cool. Let's put in the next piece. I've got a fire truck. Oh, fire trucks are so fast. That was fast. Ready? Drive the fire truck. Wow, that's a really fast fire truck. Wow, do you see a spot on the board where the fire truck goes? Right here. That's right, let's put it in. You say in. Ready? They can be loud, really loud fire truck. They gotta get to places fast. All right, we got one more piece left, and it's a car. A race car. It goes fast. Zoom. So fast, ready? Zoom. Wow, that's a fast car. Zoom. So fast. You see a spot on the board that has the car? This one. That's right. Ready? You say in. In. So fast. That was a fast car. All of these vehicles are really fast. And don't be silly. If we go fast and slow, like the cars or the airplane, you want to do it with me? Okay, first let's fly like an airplane. First, let's do it fast. Get your wings out. Ready? Let's fly. So fast. So fast. Okay, now let's do it slow. Still an airplane. Really slow. Fly. That's silly. Okay, now let's do a train. First, let's go really fast. Ready? Chugga 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 chugga. So fast. That was a fast train. Now let's go as a slow train. Ready? Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. That was a really slow train. Next we could do the car. Okay, let's pretend to drive really fast. Ready? Driving so fast. Driving so fast. Okay, now let's do it really slow. Ready? Slow, 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 slow. Wow, I love going fast and slow with you, and I loved putting together this puzzle with you. You are so helpful, and you know your vehicles. You're really smart, and I love playing with you. Hi, friends! It's so good to see you, and I'm so excited to play with you today. Today, I've got this chugga 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 choo choo train. And I'm so excited to play with you. This train's really cool because what it can do is load up these dominoes and then it's gonna unload them. It's gonna go drive, drive, drive and drop them off. But we're gonna need to help by putting these dominoes in and then we'll turn on the train and it'll drop them off. And I've got these orange ones, but I've also got some yellow and blue. All right, let's drop these orange one in. I'll show you. They're gonna go in here. And this is gonna keep them all together until they're ready for the drop. Let's open it. Maybe this way. Slide it open. And then we'll take all of these and we'll put them in. Let's slide it close. And then we'll put it in. Ready? In. Snap it in, and then we'll press the button, and it's gonna get loud. It's gonna go chugga 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 choo choo, and drop them off. You ready? Turn it on. That was really cool. Now, let's do the yellow ones. Let's open. Open. We'll move these orange ones away. Boop. We'll take this out. And let's put these yellow ones in. All right, let's put it in. And let's turn it on. Look at all the yellow ones. How cool. All right, let's move all the yellow ones. And do blue ones. Open. Fun. Let's take this out. Sometimes it's tricky. Here we go. In. Look at all the blue ones it's stacked. How cool. You know what else I was thinking? Let's take this out. What if we mix our colors? And in here we'll add all the different ones. We'll do some blue and orange and yellow. It'll be really fun when the train drops them off. They'll be all different colors. I'll move it out of the way. All right, let's load them in. And we'll turn it on. the train's stacked, little dominoes. Should we push them over? Let's move this truck and let's see if they'll follow. Okay, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Push. Oh, let's try it again. Push. A little bit. Let's push it again. Ooh, let's try it again. Let's try it again. Ready? Ooh, let's try it again. Ooh, that was many. Okay, let's try it again. Ooh, let's do one more time. I have 2 left. Ready? Wow! That was really fun stacking them up, putting them in, getting them out, and then pushing them. Thank you for helping me. You're a really good friend. You're really helpful, and I love playing with you. Thank you for learning about this fun train, helping me stack, and playing along. It's Silly Miss Lily, and I'm so excited to play with you today. Today, I've got my friend, Baby. Hi, Baby. Do you want to wave? Wave. This is how we wave. Hi. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Wow, I'm so excited to play with you today. I've got Baby and this truck. Vroom, vroom, drive, drive. Drive backwards. And forward, forward. Baby, do you want to get in the truck? Let's go walk, 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 walk. In. All right, baby, you ready to drive the truck? Let's drive it. Forward, backwards. Forward, backwards. Hey, baby, also, this is a dump truck. And if you turn around, we can lift it up and you can slide. Ready? Up, slide. Good sliding. That was fun, huh? Do you want to do it again? Do it again? Let's do it again. All right, ready? Let's go in the truck. All right, truck's gonna go up. Baby goes down. Good sliding. Oh, it's fun playing with the truck. Wah, wah. Oh, the baby's crying. Maybe the baby wants some milk. Baby, do you want milk? This is how we sign for milk. Milk. Baby, would you like some milk? Milk. All right, let's try some milk. Milk bottle. Let's open it. Set the baby down. Open. And here's some milk. Wow, the baby is drinking milk. Drinking milk. Drink up, baby. Wow, the baby was thirsty. And so the baby was drinking milk. All right, baby. Are you all done? All done. Wow, that's really good. This is how you can sign all done. All done. All done. If you're done with milk or food or playing or at the park, anytime you're done with something, you can sign all done. All done. Oh, baby. All done. All right, would you like to play some more? Play more? This is how you sign for play. Play more. More. play. Let's play some more. Let's see what kind of fun toys I've got for you, baby. This is a fun cone that spins and it's got circles on it. Let's take them off one by one. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's put them back on together. You ready? On 1, on 2, on 3. We put 3 circles on the cone. That was really fun. Let's clap. Clapping. This is clapping. Clapping. Now the baby's clapping. Good. Clapping, baby. Wah, wah. Oh no, I think the baby's crying again. Wah, wah. Maybe the baby's hungry. Baby, are you hungry? To sign hungry, we put our hand in a C and just rub on our belly. Hungry. Baby, are you hungry? Hungry. Well, let's see what I've got to eat for us, huh? Let me see what kind of food we've got. See if we can eat. Eat. This is how we sign for eat. 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 All right, let's see what we've got. I've got a plate for baby. Here's a plate, and I've got an apple or a banana. Hello? Hello, baby, are you there? Baby, I got you apple and banana. Yay, I think the baby's excited. All right, here's your banana so you can eat. Eat. That's how we sign eat. Eat. Yum, 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 yum. It's almost like you're pretending to eat. 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 Eat the banana. Yum, 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 yum. It's yummy. Now let's eat the apple. Eat. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Good eating. And baby, are you all full now? Are you all done? All done? All done. All done. Baby says, all done. All done. Okay, baby, thank you for telling me. All right, that was good lunch. That was good eating. Good job, baby. Wah, wah. Oh no, the baby's crying again. What do you think it might be? The baby had food to eat. The baby had milk to drink. Maybe baby wants some water. This is how we sign for water. Water to drink. Baby, would you like some water to drink? Water to drink. All right, let me get you a cup. Here's a cup of water. Here you go, baby. Drink up. It's yummy. I think the baby was thirsty. If you're ever thirsty, this is how you can sign thirsty. And you want some water to drink. That's yummy. All right, baby, you had food to eat, milk to drink, water to drink, What should we do now? Should we play? Let's play some more. Or play again. Play again. Let's go back in the truck. Ready? Maybe we can jump over it. Ready? Jump over. Wow, good jumping, baby. Ready? Let's jump again. 1, 2, 3. Jump over. Nice jumping. Now let's get back in the truck. The baby is sitting in the truck. Sitting in the truck. Sitting in the truck. Well, let's go driving. This is the way we drive our truck. Drive our truck. Drive our truck. This is the way we drive our truck when we're playing with our truck. All right, ready to hop out? Let's jump out. Out. Good jumping. Baby, you're really good and you're really fun to play with. Thank you for playing with me. That's how you say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, that's very nice, baby. Wow. Oh no, the baby's crying again. What do you think it might be? We had food to eat, milk to drink, water to drink. Maybe the baby needs a change. This is how you can sign for change. You put your fists up, your hands up, and you change them. Change. Maybe the baby needs to change a diaper. After all that eating and all that drinking, it's probably time to change the diaper. Let's go change your diaper, baby. Boop, 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 boop. Walking to change your diaper. All right, and we're all clean with a fresh new diaper and ready to play. So let's play more. Play again. Something we could do now is put our cone in the truck, huh? Now the cone is in the truck. And baby, that's pretty silly. Do you think when we lift the truck, the cone will come out? Ready? Let's put it up. Up. Oh, wow, and the cone came crashing down. It was up and then slid down. Down, it went so fast. Should we do it again? Let's do it again. I'll put these on. And let's put it on the truck. On. Okay, baby, are you ready? Let's lift the truck up. The dump truck is gonna go up with the bed, ready? Up. Down! It came down so fast. And it was loud. Did you hear it in your ears? It was loud. But that was really fun. Okay, let's put our circles back on. And let's put our cone back. Let's put it back. Baby, it's been really fun playing with you. It's been a lot of playing. Wah. Baby's crying again. Baby, what would you like now? Maybe some... I think the baby's saying water to drink. The baby wants some more water to drink. Oh, and the baby's saying, please. Baby said, water to drink, please. Oh, baby, that's very nice. We'd love to get you some water. Here you go. Here's some water to drink for baby. Drink up. That water's probably refreshing. Wow! Baby, it was so fun playing with you today, and we learned so many words like thirsty. And when we're thirsty, we can ask for milk to drink or water to drink. Maybe we're hungry. Say hungry. And we get food to eat. Eat. We also did a lot of playing and jumping, 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 jumping over and jumping in and jumping out. Great job playing. Thank you for playing with me. I love playing with you, and I love playing with you. You're a really great friend, really helpful, and you know your sign language and a lot of words. Thank you for playing with me. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye!